Not so by power, not so by force, not so about politics, not so say we the time for oppose. We want hustle and make the money. Papa government do sorry for we. We all get family them for feed. Wanna try end this coffee for we now.
Hey, that's my nigga Flash. Face it. How much? Make yourself comfortable. Sit down, man. Thank you. Long time.
Tipsy.
Yes, Face.
No say for me the school na don start. We dey really dey stay with the entertainers na this country.
Yeah, that's not for sure.
So like we dey on a serious campaign. Where some of the company entertainers they say do now. Not sure we no more. Even at the media they do now. We dey protest for it. Papa government sorry for it. They police coffee order. They declare themselves. You know, say back now one part the big face in the country. Maybe so local meet you. So go join and protest peacefully.
Face. I think what that you want to show me, sir. This. I got past 50. Oh no. That's the way I be online. Crack Swizam Zamak, Moody Stasi. They send them for me. I just take time school no more and pass some. Because me, I'm not going to street for go protest for let the end coffee. No. Me a big artist. I mean a big face like this country.
Tipsy,
Yes.
as a big person in this country, what will you watch to for make we come together and push this tier where they can win at the coffee order for when they push up for when they pull out? Are you Tipsy again? Hey.
Flash, you know how they tell you, like how I say, me na big face. Me no go na street for go and protest for coffee, no coffee, na for land for survivors, entertainers.
Tipsy.
And that's how I tell you. The sugar plum, Miss Sweetheart. I can't see up here now. I lost this. I can't go inside.
No, I need to go inside. Friends in the private.
Okay. Sugar plum. I make so now.
But you are counting.
Yeah. I don't sell it away. You can sign a big thing. I don't go up.
I need money for buy cream. Don't look me all up.
You can't see up in the sand. Come on, the sand. I did make so. You cancel up picking. When I they make man the block. What's I expect me for now pull money? Like someone they do shows them. I expect me for now make money. I am about to. Now they can't tell me say how you don't know you want go buy you want watch you want go buy. No, but I know they expect that for me. What's I expect me for now full money?
Oh, you don't sweet.
I don't get for you.
All thing I mean, you know what you don't need to give me.
What's I expect me for now full money?
I hear all una conversation with your company entertainers there. I hear all una conversation where they tell you say make una journal do a peaceful protest so they then pull this coffee order I begin the way make go be sure come they tell you begin make so.
Super Flash, face. Oh man, that issue now be tell me but as I dey go so now him better be the thing but and me go be the #1 person for Tina before una and see how we able do a peaceful protest so that we go put end to this coffee.
Now the reason why we come to you so that we go.
You make so. Now me want tell. See what we done all thing dey in place. You dey get me. So now wetin we get for do? Now that's make I call una na. You dey get me? Oh no. Now we dey go meet we come entertainers them. Oh, sweetheart.
Yeah, babe.
I find some people they better. You go. This is how you did it. You know, saying I mean, sweetheart. Anytime we meet there, you get for it. Like you say, come. So, like I be the same. Now let's make a call this meeting here. You understand me? You don't forget about that. So I call this meeting purposely so that we go find ways how for put end.
Now the reason why
everything set. Everything they worry. Now Tiwa don't plan. Everything they like. Now, Imagine, we as entertainers them now this country, we no get side who they raise money. Now only who they make them shows them. Now this coffee day, you dey get me. If you not make shows them, how they expect you for living? No, now watch. How they expect you for them to survive? For example, look me, baby. Like I smile. And you got for dress fine. We got for common fine. Now today shows them what we they make. Now they we set we able common fine as entertainers them. You don't understand? Now watch. For example, now just imagine Abacha where they flop so. If Abacha where they flop so, go no spread. No, they want not to come. Abacha they flop, even they see. All the people in jam themselves, they was still in the cell day. What Salomo to carry them bosses the way they see. Then they didn't have them bosses then 5. So tell me. So they want tell me say now only net corona they spread. Look at this. Tell me. So now this make a call una. You dey get me? Go meet other entertainers them. Now the houses them. Sensitize them. Send this flower. Now them phones them. And then we try for make sure say the community people and get on them phone. Then they use them. And we try for put into this coffee. You understand me? Yeah. And one thing I we know. This not a political campaign we do. A political protest. This not a very simple and straightforward protest. What we try for do so that we go see how we go put into this coffee. You don't understand me? So like you know say I get me, baby me, you know I get forget time with time. So like anything, una can go and get sent, I go give you a call. You don't understand me? Okay. When I take care of man. Forget self. So Valves, take care man, take care, eh? Okay. Sweetheart, I just find so. I say you happy. Happy for me. Now this are the try for see. Now we as entertainers then now we get for put into this.
We all know say this pandemic don't disturb the country and we know say it honor. We promise if you leave the curfew for we go by the rules of Corona. Just give it chance that we the mash up. We go tell fans them for the mask up. Promoters and the DJ they want chop. Now entertainment they bring the cash up. Auntie Ebu we use for self-fight say 2 in the morning. Now we markets not they done. Now festive season don't cancel. The bars and the clubs and the lost is business. Not so by power, not so by force. Not about politics, not so say we decide for oppose. We want us to let me